ni Mayor Maria Lourdes Reynoso Puchoso. Kasama po si Ma'am Marinela Chong, a registered nutritionist dietitian. Congratulations po, Mayor Lovely Reynoso.
Maraming salamat.
And they will receive, kagaya ng Sariaya, sila rin may makakatanggap ng plaque at 10,000 pesos.
Muli, maraming
Wow.
salamat, our nutrition champion from the Yabas,